Long before modern medicine, before microscopes, scanners, or laboratories, humanity searched for one answer. How does the human body truly work? From the healing traditions of ancient Egypt and India to the philosophical minds of Greece, the foundations of physiology were slowly taking shape. Then came the legendary physician Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, who transformed medicine from superstition into observation and reason around 420 BC. Centuries later, a French physician named Jean Fernel introduced a revolutionary word, physiology, derived from the Greek words physis, meaning nature, logos, meaning study. Together, they formed the science dedicated to understanding the mechanisms of life. Physiology is the study of how the human body functions and how different systems work together to maintain life. The body is organized in levels, from molecules and cells to tissues, organs, and organ systems. The cell is the basic functional unit of life. Every function in the body begins inside cells. The cell membrane controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. All cells perform essential functions for survival. They control their internal environment, absorb nutrients and oxygen, remove waste and carbon dioxide, produce energy, and respond to surrounding signals. To build a body, this cell must first trigger proliferation, cloning itself over and over to build a massive biological workforce. But raw numbers aren't enough. Through differentiation, these identical cells select specific genetic instructions, transforming into the unique neurons, muscles, and tissues that bring the human machine to life. The human body contains more than 200 specialized types of cells. Each cell is designed for a unique function. Neurons transmit signals, muscle cells create movement, and blood cells transport oxygen throughout the body. Tissues form when similar cells join together to perform a common function. These organized cell groups create the structural foundation of organs. The body contains 4 major tissue types: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue covers body surfaces and lines organs, providing protection, absorption, and secretion. Connective tissue supports, protects, and binds body structures together. Muscle tissue creates movement, while nervous tissue carries electrical signals throughout the body. Organs, made of 2 or more types of tissues organized to perform a particular function. Example: heart, brain, and skin as organs. Organ systems, groups of organs working together. Multiple organ systems work together to maintain life and support body functions. Think about a hospital. A hospital cannot function with only one worker. Doctors alone cannot run the hospital. Nurses alone cannot manage patients. Cleaners alone cannot provide treatment. Every department has a specialized role, but all departments work together to maintain the hospital system. The nursing department monitors patients and provides daily care. Physicians diagnose disease and guide treatment. Cleaners maintain hygiene and prevent infection. Each department has different responsibilities, but they cooperate for one common purpose: maintaining the hospital and caring for patients. The human body works exactly the same way. Different organ systems have specialized functions. The respiratory system provides oxygen. The digestive system absorbs nutrients. The urinary system removes waste. The nervous system performs its own specialized task. But all systems depend on one another to maintain life. Now imagine bringing an engineer into a hospital operating room to treat patients without medical training. Even if the engineer is highly skilled in engineering, that person does not belong to the medical treatment system because their specialization is different, so the hospital didn't want the engineer. In the same way, every organ and every tissue in the body has a specific role and specialization. Each specialized structure contributes only when it performs the correct physiological function within the system. This cooperation between specialized parts is one of the most important principles in physiology. The human body relies on 11 major organ systems to maintain stability and health. Cardiovascular, heart and blood vessels pumping nutrients and oxygen through the body. Digestive, mouth, stomach, intestines, and liver processing food and absorbing nutrition. Respiratory, lungs and trachea, absorbing oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide waste. Nervous, brain, spinal cord, and nerves directing rapid communication and actions. Skeletal, bones and cartilage providing physical structure and protecting soft organs. Muscular, muscles generating body movement and producing essential core heat. Integumentary, skin, hair, and nails forming the outermost defensive barrier. Endocrine, glands secreting hormones to slowly manage growth and metabolism. Lymphatic, lymph nodes and vessels clearing out fluid and fighting off pathogens. Urinary, kidneys and bladder filtering toxins and controlling liquid waste. Reproductive, specialized organs tasked with producing offspring. In the next episode, we'll journey deeper into the human body, exploring every organ system individually, uncovering how each one works together to keep us alive. From the beating heart to the powerful brain, every system has a story to tell. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into human physiology, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for the next chapter of discovery.